a little bit of a separate issue. CT scan really is the imaging of choice in the hemodynamically stable child. And the things we see, I'm going to talk mostly about solid organ injuries, which primarily involve the spleen, as demonstrated here, and the liver as well as the kidney. And all of these injuries are basically graded radiographically. So this is a CT scan, or CT injury grading scale for spleen injuries, from a grade 1 being pretty minor injury that pretty much never needs any intervention, versus a grade 5, which is where the spleen's basically shattered. And the need to intervene obviously increases as these graded injury, as the grade of the injury increases as well. Liver injuries are similar. You can see very severely injured liver here. This is the similar grade for liver injury. There's even a grade 6, which is hepatic avulsion, and unfortunately, sometimes the only thing you can do for that if they survive is a liver transplant, but that's a relatively unusual thing. But primarily a grade 1 to a grade 5, similar to the spleen.